iBafana Bafana beyine-budget noma iSAFA beyine-budget ye-20 million for Hugo Broos kuma-salaries wakhe ngonyaka. Ngicela ukuyichaza le nto lena abantu bangamangali. Isalary ka-Hugo Broos, ama-salaries nje wakhe kuphela bewa-around 17 to 18 million rands. On top of that, nalezi zinto lezi zama-flights, uyaflya uHugo Broos uye eBelgium first class, niyazi ukuflya first class ukuye Europe I don't know. Cause boma-business class boma 80,000 boma-first class malini, kusho ukuthi ukuya nje phambili maybe okuyi-200,000 ukubuya 200,000. Lo muntu behlezi elena kwelakubo e-Europe njalo cause iBafana Bafana i-national team beyingadlala ngithi njalo. So asiyibeke nje ku-20 million isalary yakhe or imali ebhekane noHugo Broos nje kuphela. But as for ulona uPitso Mosimane bathi 5 million kuphela, and le 5 million ngonyaka bathe okay, ngiripotile le nto lapha, ubani uvelile lo wase-SABC report ukuthi iSAFA they are willing to double isalary kaPitso Mosimane. Ama-speculations lawo, they haven't doubled any amount. In fact, they don't want uPitso Mosimane. Ngizoyiphinda le nto le ukuthi abantu bayizwe kahle. They don't want uPitso Mosimane. Abamfuni kuBafana Bafana. Sebenzela nje i-country cause abantu abaningi bathi bafuna uPitso Mosimane, especially abantu baku-government. Ama-fans on the ground, ama-opinions are divided, so phinde sikhulume ngalokho. Then mina lento angiyi-understand. uPitso Mosimane uthi ngiyitshela iSAFA yena uthi kumele eze nama-assistant coaches wakhe ayi-3, and remember ucoach uma-negotiate bafethu ama-salaries ne, unegotiator i-package yakhe as a whole including ama-assistant coaches wakhe. If uPitso Mosimane uzofika ne-team yakhe, it means that if uzo-negotiate 400,000 a month, kumele anike ama-assistant coaches wakhe amamali nama-70,000 ama-100,000 imali. And I think so 10, if not Sunday World may report it uPitso Mosimane was earning way better when he was the assistant coach eBafana Bafana. So make it make sense. So if I was earning more than 400,000 ngo-2010, cabanga bafethu 2010, then ngo-2026, 16 years later uzongofara imali less than imali bengiyihola ngikusebenzela ngo-2010, lokho kusho ukuthini? Awungifuni. Abamfuna uPitso. Yabona ukuthi bafuna uPitso unamanga. Like abanye abantu bathi bayamdelela uPitso Mosimane, nami ngiyavuma bayamdelela. I-offer nje ukoyibona phi i-offer nje, you getting i-400,000 after tax ukumalini? After tax phela uPitso Mosimane uzoba ko-200 and something thousand. Cabanga. What about isilo labantu abanye kumele abaqashe bamsize, uzobaholela malini kanjani? SAFA ngiyanivuma. Hayi ngiyanivuma. So and uPitso Mosimane khona labamcoacha khona ethi aka-decide izinto zama-contract laphana kuSAFA, yibe kumele bamnike i-contract right. Because imagine you offer uPitso Mosimane 400,000 but you go out there and offer i-European maybe ozayo manje bazomnika 2 million. Nothi ngasho ukuthi lo zayo ngeke bakhiphe imali yakhe in public. And lezi zinto zama-report eSouth Africa ziyabheda. Ngoba i-SABC izovele ngeze example, SABC or Sunday World bazovele bathi $75,000. Ayikho into enjalo. South Africa ngeke bakunika amadola, imali idola liyaphansi naphezulu isikhathi esiningi angithi. So uHugo imali yakhe, isalary yakhe straight ngama-South African rands. Hayi ukuthi this month bamnika based on ukuthi i-currency ithini, no, bazomnika imali based on i-contract ayisayinile lana ngama-South African rands kuphela. So if behola 1.4 imali yakhe eza kuyiphelele kuzoba i-1.4 million njalo every month, whether idola liyaphezulu or liyaphansi, i-1.4 imali yakhe, right? But-ke kunama-bonuses eceleni nezinye izinto. Masoyihlanganisa imali yakhe or i-budget yakhe, uyabona ukuthi no man, lo muntu lo kusho ukuthi ngenyanga kahle kahle iSAFA ispenda boma 18 million ngaye kuphela. No, ngonyaka sengithi ngenyanga. Ngonyaka baspenda boma 18 million maso-calculate everything around yena. Kuthiwa bamhlalise i-budget yakhe uhlalisa nthini 70,000, kusho ukuthi rent yakhe nje ebekwe eceleni 70,000 rands. Damn it. Siyakhala but ngicela ukuzibamba lana kwamanje, angazi ukuthi nabafethu ngicabanga ukuthi disrespect lento lena. Abamfuni uPitso, siyakubona lo ukuthi abamfuni, but-ke let's just wait sibone ukuthi bazom-announce. Bam-announce sozama ukuyibheka ukuthi bam-announce based on ini bavumelane ngani, because you can't say uzonika umuntu i-400,000 few days back and then after 2 days so uzomnika 800,000.